नमस्कार, मैं हूं सोनी खत्री। आप देख रहे हैं खबर फोकस, हर खबर पर फोकस। सिरसा में श्री अरविंद समिति के हिंदी क्षेत्रीय कार्यक्रम में देशभक्ति, संस्कृति और विचारों का संगम देखने को मिला है। कार्यक्रम की शोभा उस वक्त बढ़ गई जब उड़ीसा के पूर्व राज्यपाल प्रोफेसर गणेशी लाल व उनके सुपुत्र हारे का सहारा चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट के प्रधान मनीष सिंगला ने शिरकत की। ट्रस्ट के सदस्यों ने फूलों की वर्षा कर उनका भव्य स्वागत किया। प्रोफेसर साहब व उनके सुपुत्र हारे का सहारा चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट के प्रधान मनीष सिंगला ने दीप प्रज्वलित कर कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ किया। इस कार्यक्रम में 4 चांद तब लग गए जब प्रोफेसर साहब ने माइक संभाला तो ऐसी ऊर्जा बरसी कि श्री अरविंद के दर्शन, राष्ट्रवाद और वर्तमान की पीढ़ी की भूमिका पर ऐसा ओजस्वी असर पड़ा कि हर कोई मंत्र मुग्ध हो उठा। उनके विचारों ने न सिर्फ युवाओं को झंझोरा बल्कि बुजुर्गों को भी नई सोच की ओर प्रेरित किया।
Has drawn dignitaries, the luminaries and the excellencies, the eminences and the brilliancies from the different parts of the land who are attending this function. Well, I may request that accept my humble salutations, please. As far as the subject is concerned, I wish to pronounce 2 or 3 things, you say. Shri Aurobindo says, the earth you tread is the border screened from the heaven. The life you lead conceals the light you are. Whether this is the light which has been given to me by the sun or not, that I don't know. Perhaps our chief guest, chief speaker, Honorable Shri Alok Ji Pandey coming from Auroville, and Shri Amod Kumar, who will deliver you the Adhyakshi Udbodhan, of course. And we have got the divine message from Vandaniya Bhagni Padam Shri Tara Johar also, and maybe somebody else also. But as far the light is concerned, the light you possess, you see, which is more powerful perhaps than the sun. Na tad bhasyate suryo na shashanka na pavaka yat gatva na nirvartante tad dhamam paramam. There may be some places where there may be no light, you see. The sun is only at a distance of 96 lakh kilometers, you see, which has been trespassed even by Subhanshu Shukla, who has gone 96 lakh kilometers away from this. As far as the scientists speak, you see, still we have not got the light from that star. उस स्टार से, उस नक्षत्र से, उस तारे से तो अभी लाइट नहीं आई, जिसको आने में 1 लाख वर्ष लगेगा, प्रकाश वर्ष। और एक प्रकाश वर्ष को हम जानते हैं कितना होता है, 1 सेकंड में 1,86,000 किलोमीटर चलता है। 1 लाख वर्ष प्रकाश वर्ष लगेंगे कमिंग दैट लाइट विल कमिंग फ्रॉम दैट डिस्टेंट स्टार. Even Buddha had to say to Ananda, when Buddha was to depart from this land, Ananda had a question in mind. He said, now who will speak to us the path we are to tread? Then he simply says, Appadipo Bhav. Perhaps he was talking of the light, you say, which Maharshi Aurobindo could say. As far as me is concerned, you say, Shri Aurobindo speaks of a Superman philosophy, and I wish and I pray to all these dignitaries, you see, let there be a channel also which will speak of Superman philosophy by Aurobindo. None in the world till today has talked of a Superman, you see. Nature has not blundered. Nature has not blundered. It is the scientists, it is the leaders, you see. It is the we persons who have stopped before the destination. हम थक गए हैं, हम सुपरमैन को मानते ही नहीं हैं. Now what this Superman will do, you see, uplifting the world to God in deathless light, bringing the God down to the world on earth I came. The man should walk celestial, the people should walk celestial on this earth, just like gods. That is what Savitri speaks to Yama, you see, in Savitri. And what is the problem? What is the crisis? Why this is not coming? Even mother speaks, you see. Mother speaks. Some साधक तपस्या जो करते हैं लोग पूछते हैं माँ से, माँ ये सुपरमैन कब धरती पर आएगा? उन्होंने कहा साधकों को ऐसे प्रश्न नहीं पूछने चाहिए, पर बच्चा तो बच्चा होता है, जिद करता है. So she speaks, it will take 300 years for this Superman to come to this earth, you see, on this land. You may do penances, you may do austerities, you may do whatever you like, you see. It hardly matters, but the mother speaks. Why this delay is there? ऐसा होता क्यों है? So the mother speaks. Insincerity is the greatest and the saddest failure of this world. You can talk of false ego, insincerity. You can talk of jealousy. You can talk of other things also. So as far as this sadhana, this tapasya, this austerity, all these things are concerned, this meditation, of course, no doubt, yoga, integral yoga, even on education, he has spoken so much. 3 great volumes have been recently written down by the philosophers of the world, you see, about education, etc. But the greatest crisis of this world is intelligence. हम बहुत समझदार हो गया है, बहुत प्रैक्टिकल हो गया है, बहुत संसारिक हो गया है. That is the greatest crisis of this world, you see. We are all for matters and measurements. कैसे पदार्थ और ज़्यादा मिलेगा, कैसे मेरा फलाव एक्सपेंशन होगा. फर्स्ट पावर, देन परपेचुएशन ऑफ पावर, देन एक्सपेंशन ऑफ पावर. Money, then you see heaps of money, etc., so and so forth. All these riddles and all these crises and all these problems can be removed, you see, only with the help of jnanam labdhava param shanti charine gacchati. If you particularly have an acquaintance with the inner self, internet तो बहुत चलाया, इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा है. रेवोल्यूशन आउटर बहुत चलता है, इनर रेवोल्यूशन नहीं चलता है. इनर इंस्टिंक्ट्स डेड हैं. फॉर दैट यू हैव कम फ्रॉम सच ए ग्रेट डिस्टेंस, यू सी, आरोविल उषा नगरी से. द स्मॉल वर्ल्ड इज देयर, यू सी, ऑफ कोर्स, नो डाउट, यू से. You can see the small world, 139 lands, 139 countries and their lands and their mitti, that Auroville is the Arse. Perhaps that light, not only from the sun, that light from Auroville may awaken us to the reality. The reality is that of belongingness which nurtures heart. Nurturing heart means imperfect is the joy unshared by all, you see.
बड़ा सुंदर था और आपको भोर का